उस जूरी में डिस्कस किया गया था और जूरी में डिसाइड किया, जूरी ने मिलके कि द अवार्ड शुड गो टू Dirty Picture.
But unfortunately, the share of the award for the best film was given to Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. And from here begins the biggest controversy of a recent award function.
आपस में हमने बहुत सी बातें डिस्कस की, तो उस जूरी में ऐसा कौन सा बंदा बैठा था जो आपको बातें बता रहा था, जिसके बेसिस पे आप अवार्ड फंक्शन पे नहीं आए?
Well, for the ones who came in late, the story goes that at a recent award function, Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara director Zoya Akhtar, actor-producer Farhan Akhtar and producer Ritesh Sidhwani refused to step on stage to collect any awards for their film. And the reason behind this was because Sanjay Gupta, who is one of the jury members, felt that Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara did not deserve the award alongside another film, as it is a copy of an American film.
One jury member in the night started making calls to everybody else. से कि नहीं ये डिसीजन गलत है. बात वो गलत थी जिस पे मैंने स्टैंड लिया कि जब जूरी ने एक साथ बैठ के डिसीजन ले लिया है, then how can you go back? Today they are turning around and saying that just because I pointed out the similarities between Fandango and ZNMD, but those similarities are there. But I'm ready to give you the benefit of doubt कि हो सकता है इन्होंने नहीं देखी फिल्म.
Well, if sources are to be believed, filmmaker Sanjay Gupta had a rift with fellow jury member and filmmaker Kunal Kohli. According to Sanjay, the Best Film Award was deserved by The Dirty Picture. But when reports about this tiff between the jury members came out in open in front of the makers of Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, they refused to accept the award, hence turning it into a big controversy. And now we have Sanjay Gupta who has decided to step forward and clear doubts on the rumors.
Of course I felt bad. I don't want to open the पेपर इन द मॉर्निंग एंड रीड कि यार संजय गुप्ता की वजह से इन लोगों ने फंक्शन बॉयकॉट किया. मेरी वजह से क्यों? इतने लोगों ने इतनी चीजें डिस्कस की. आपको बहाना चाहिए था तो वो आपने बनाया, या तो कोई और बहाना बनाते हैं. डोंट ड्रैग मी इनटू इट. दूसरी बात ये है कि जूरी में देयर आर एमिनेंट पीपल लाइक शेखर कपूर, प्रदीप सरकार, देयर इज जॉन मैथ्यू मेथान, देयर इज भानु अथैया, रेंजिल डिसिल्वा, माई सेल्फ. कैन आई इन्फ्लुएंस द होल जूरी कि इस पिक्चर को दो और इसको नहीं दो? आर यू टेकिंग अवे फ्रॉम देयर इंटेलिजेंस? एंड व्हाई वुड आई हैव नो रीजन टू. इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट. एंड माय होल पॉइंट इज कि इवन आई हैव बीन इंस्पायर्ड, आई हैव बीन, कांटे वाज इंस्पायर्ड बाय रिजर्वायर डॉग्स, बट आई डोंट डिनाई दैट. आई डोंट हैव अ प्रॉब्लम विद दैट. सो आई एम नॉट दैट काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन. सो आई डोंट नो व्हाई दिस होल ये इशू जो इन्होंने क्रिएट किया है और मेरे नाम पे डाला है. आई थिंक इट्स नॉट इन गुड टेस्ट. इट्स जस्ट नॉट फेयर.
Well, if you're wondering if there is any truth in Sanjay's words, that is something which only the Screen Awards jury members would know. But in a situation like this, if someone tried to create controversies by leaking the jury proceedings, we are sure that this person too will be revealed very soon.
पागल है? क्या कर रहा है? पीछे चलो. Who is this guy?
The always calm and composed Anushka Sharma recently lost her calm at an award function.
पागल है? क्या कर रहा है?
So annoyed was this Yash Raj girl that she couldn't even maintain a composed look for the shutterbugs and relentlessly went on to express her anger.
How do you think?
Our movie is like, Chakde, Ramde, Basanti.
पागल है? क्या कर रहा है? पीछे चलो. Who is this guy? You get this? He's misbehaving.
Well, this band Baja Barat star was recently spotted at an award function, and while the chirpy Anushka engaged in some media interactions, she couldn't ignore one of her crazy fans stray into the venue, who went on to pass some lewd remarks at her. A bold Anushka then decided not to take the nasty comments lying down, and regardless of the media fanfare around her, Anushka went on to give the sly guy some peace of her mind.
पागल है? क्या कर रहा है? पीछे चलो. Who is this guy? You get this? He's misbehaving.
Well, all we can say is kudos to Anushka for standing up for herself. This is one girl who can be sweet and sexy one minute and also bold and temperamental the other. The bold and sensuous Vidya Balan seems to be just getting bolder by the day. Vidya was recently spotted at the international airport along with her beau Siddharth Roy Kapoor in tow, bidding farewell to Vidya, who was leaving for Macau to attend an award function there. The lovebirds shared quite an intimate moment, locking lips outside the airport, inviting all the public glare. But as soon as Vidya said her byes and got free from the SRK in her life, we cornered Vidya to know more about the romantic performance she will be sharing with Badshah Khan at the awards night.
I enjoyed it. I hope everyone does. I enjoyed it. I hope everyone does.
When we quizzed Vidya about her desire to work with Shah Rukh, she simply cited the lack of offers, casting her opposite the King Khan. But we guess things might just start looking up soon for this silky beauty.
No offers yet. Let's hope there are this year.
Moving on, we also spotted Vidya's ex-flame Shahid Kapoor, who probably didn't expect to bump into her at the airport itself. And by the looks of it, we are not sure if seeing Vidya with Siddharth Roy Kapoor went down too well with Shahid. Well, what can we say? Such is life, dearies.
Who knew that just a few sexy videos posted online followed by some controversial statements could help you make it in the big bad world of Bollywood? Known exceptionally for her tall claims of stripping at the World Cup 2011 if India won, the wannabe starlet Poonam Pandey is all set to mark her entry in Bollywood. And that too not just with any banner but a well-established one. Always been associated with provocative videos and pics, Poonam would now be seen as one of the lead actresses in a movie under Shah Rukh Khan's banner Red Chilli Entertainment. Yes, you've heard it right. Sparking off these rumors in B-Town was Poonam's visit to Red Chilli's office. And we decided to investigate further. After a thorough investigation, we learned that Poonam Pandey has indeed bagged a big opportunity. Poonam will be seen in a movie under King Khan's banner. And if sources are to be believed, her character has been sketched somewhat on the lines of Kangana Ranaut's notorious character in Fashion. Poonam would be seen dating a number of men as well as doing drugs. Well, we cornered this starlet for her reaction on this big news. Here's what Poonam had to say.
Well, I've not said this thing to anyone. How did you know? First of all, I'm shocked. Because there was no media there. Anyways, well, yes, I'm actually excited, but I actually cannot share anything with you at the moment, so I'm really sorry for that.
Well, Poonam darling, even if you don't wish to spill the beans on this one, we shall let it pass as we have all the inside dope on this one. The movie, which is being produced by SRK's banner, is going to be directed by Gaurav Kindaria, who is also the associate director of the movie Prince. And the shooting of this flick is to commence in February this year. Poonam Pandey definitely needs to thank her lucky stars for this one. But what we wonder is if the Badshah of Bollywood Shah Rukh would get involved in the promotions of this one.
Earlier this week on a not-so-lazy Sunday, Mumbaikas once again decided to take to the streets and participate in large numbers at the Mumbai Marathon. Seen running alongside the Aam Janta were B-Town biggies, right from the fitness freak John Abraham to the young heartthrob Ranbir Kapoor, to Anil Kapoor, Tina Ambani, Ronit Roy, Shabana Azmi, Prateek Babbar and many more. The marathon runners were not only spotted supporting various causes but were also seen enjoying themselves. A few of them even agreed to groove for our B-Town celebs, irrespective of their age. So let's take a look at few of the enthralling moments captured at this spirited Mumbai Marathon.
एक ऐसा रंगीन दिन जब पूरा मुंबई सड़क पर उतरता है, सेलिब्रिटीज भी वॉक करते हैं एक अलग अलग कॉसेस के साथ जुड़कर। रणबीर कपूर, जॉन अब्राहम, शबाना आजमी, चित्रांगदा सिंह और कई और सेलिब्रिटीज जो कि आज मुंबई कार्ड्स के साथ रास्ते पर चले, उन्होंने प्रूव कर दिया कि व्हाई पीपल रियली लव देम।
Actually, उन लोग मेरे को अलाउ नहीं करे भागने के लिए, but I have actually run the marathon 3 or 4 times.
शर्ट दिखाओ ठीक से, that is more important.
Support Shabana Auntie's Mijwan Trust Welfare Society, and really glad to be here.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मुंबई के साथ पिछले कुछ सालों में बहुत ज्यादती हुई है, उसको बहुत थपेड़े खाए गए हैं, उसने बहुत सारी तकलीफें देखी हैं। स्टैंडर्ड चार्टर्ड का जो मुंबई मैराथन है, उसमें एक मौका एक बार फिर मिलता है तमाम मुंबईकर को कि वो एक साथ आकर फिर जोश से फिर अपने आप को वो अपनी जिंदगी के साथ जोड़ें।
The hooting has subsided, but the spirit is still alive. The crowd goes back home from here with satisfied smiles, thus marking the end of the successful Mumbai Marathon. Bollywood has yet again proved that whenever required for a good cause, they will always unite together. चाहे वो जॉन हो, रणबीर हो या अनिल, सबने अपने अपने तरीके से इस मुंबई मैराथन को बहुत ही स्पेशल बनाया। रुद्रानी चौटराज विथ कैमरामैन आदित्य, ज़ू।
She is known for hosting the who's who of the world on her talk show, and on her maiden visit to India, Oprah Winfrey was greeted by top-notch Indian socialites and Bollywood glitterati, including megastar Amitabh Bachchan, superstar Shah Rukh Khan, and her ever-so-favorite Aishwarya Rai at a private party in Mumbai. If sources are to be believed, meeting Beti B was among the first things Winfrey wanted to do upon her arrival. So even before heading for a private party organized in her honor at socialite Padmeshwar Godrej residence, Oprah decided to make a trip to the Bachchans to meet Ash and her baby at Jalsa in Juhu. And after spending an hour with the Bachchan family, Oprah was later escorted by Big B himself to the Godrej party, which was specially thrown for her. And if an international icon like Oprah is in town, we can surely expect the whole of B-Town to be there.
I met her 2 years back and invited her to India, and she remembered that you call me, I'm here.
Well, it's a very rare opportunity to meet Oprah Winfrey. She's changed the way world thinks. A great humanitarian. So I think it's a great moment to meet her.
Are you looking forward to meet her?
Yes, I am.
And क्या बातें होने वाली है फिर?
I don't know, वो तो अंदर जाके मालूम पड़ेगा.
ओपरा विनफ्री जो मैं बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ, मैं और रेनू जी, बहुत ही अच्छा लगा उनसे मिलके. बहुत ही very absolutely amazing person. बहुत उनके बारे में सुना था, उनसे मिलके बहुत अच्छा लगा.
And to grace the occasion, Oprah Winfrey chose to go truly Indian as she draped an orange and golden sari, in which she did look very ethnic.
Oprah is going to be wearing a lot of saris in India.
Has he told you anything to design for her?
Well, we are working on something for her.
Well, it was quite a grand party which had lots of music and fun, but one of the main attractions of the group was dancers who especially performed on the latest hit Ooh La La. But even as the party was on in full swing, it was eventually busted by the cops, which did leave a lot of celebrities really upset.
It was a fabulous evening, बहुत ही अच्छी evening थी, पर हमारे जो मुंबई cops हैं, if there had been a little more sporting, तो और भी अच्छी होती, because there are restrictions in Mumbai and we have to. Well, not बंद नहीं करा दी, पर काफी उनका presence था वहाँ, क्योंकि timing का सवाल है.
But there was something else that caught our attention. Well, yes, Preeti Zinta, who was there to meet Oprah, was left fuming because the crowd damaged her car while she was being captured by the paparazzi. Well, the party was surely a big hit, and after it ended, Oprah looked pretty excited as she entered her car and drove away. But she did not really stop by to speak to the media. Well, looks like we'll have to continue watching the Oprah Winfrey Show to hear this diva talk.